Today we understand about artificial intelligence, AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with the development of intelligent machines. AI systems can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and natural language processing. AI systems use algorithms and statistical models to analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. Examples of AI applications include virtual assistants, self-driving cars, fraud detection systems, and medical diagnosis tools. AI is a rapidly growing field with many exciting applications and potential benefits. AI also raises ethical and societal concerns about the impact of intelligent machines on jobs, privacy, and human well-being. AI can be further categorized into narrow or general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, while general AI is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to make predictions or decisions based on data. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to process large amounts of data and learn from it. AI has many potential benefits, such as increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and the ability to perform dangerous or repetitive tasks without risking human lives. However, AI also poses some risks, such as job displacement, bias in decision-making, and the potential for misuse or unintended consequences. There are ongoing debates and discussions about how best to regulate and govern the development and use of AI to ensure that it benefits society as a whole. If you'd like to know more about AI, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.